interested in learning how to make brooms that have handles? Well, that's exciting. I am Jennifer of Brooms by Jenza. I've been making brooms since 2009, teaching since 2017, and started the online platform, the Broom Witch Academy, so I can do online courses in broom making. That was kind of by request. So here we go. What are you going to learn in broom making basics? The broom sticks. We're going to start really small and just simply attaching two small sticks. So these are the small witch's brooms. So you're going to start with the, I like to teach where you learn from the basics, that you're getting the basics down. This is not fancy decorating brooms. These are going to be, for the most part, practical brooms that you can use. Maybe not the tiny little witch's brooms, but that teaches you kind of the foundation of attaching to a broomstick. One band. And then having two bands, so building on that. And once we've built these little ones, we moved on to the practical ones. Your basic round broom that you've attached to a wooden handle of your choice, and it stays together. Like, how did you make sure that stays together? This can be functional. Maybe the functional function is for you to make it decorative and go dancing with some other witches. This can be a fun type to dance with. Maybe this is the one that you are going to use to get the cobwebs up in your corner. Or okay, I have this size, a little shorter handles, but basically this size in all my bathrooms. I feel like it's around behind the toilet. There you go. Okay, so it can be very practical for your household chores and just look cute. Right, so style number one. And then maybe you want a little bit more of a flare, a little bit more of a curve. We do what I call the witch's skirt one, which is very similar to this one, but we're putting it together slightly different, right? So we're building, we're always building. And then in the bonuses, we're going to learn a little bit more about stitches. Hopefully you have taken the hand broom one where you did learn to do a flat stitch, but we're going to do a flat stitch here. So now you have a flat sweeper. And then we do a round stitch. So all of that you get in the bonuses. So though these are medium to small brooms, you can build upon these with the fundamentals to make something bigger, to make something different, but you have the fundamentals. So that is what broom making basics, the broomsticks, is. To learn the fundamentals of attaching broom corn to a stick, keeping it on that stick so you can use them, give them, sell them, whatever you like to do. I hope I see you in the course.